Alright, let me give you a walk to show you where we are right now. So basically, bring up our stone, go all the way up here. We're gonna have our stucco come right up to our stone here. All of this gonna be stucco. Front of the garage also gonna be stucco. We're gonna have stucco right around the lower section there. So before there was a roof, there was some plywood up there. My client wanted us to go straight up in the gable there with our stone. So right now we're gonna install some precast right around the door. So we have our precast here ready. I'll show finish this section. Go right across the top of the door there. Finish right up there as well. Come right down. Before you apply your mortar, you want to sweep away the dust, and then we're gonna wet down the area a little bit. So now we're gonna install our brick tie that we're gonna use to secure once we go up top there. Just gonna bend it, just bang it in here. We're gonna get a nail and nail it right in the middle. We're just gonna do the same for all the other ones that we're gonna install. Some mortar right down onto my stone down here. So we're coming in now. Go down now. Okay, so right now I'm just trying to plumb it up. As I plumb, I'm gonna jump up there and try to secure it. With a long level. Give me a chowl, hold it, chowl behind it. Here is touching onto the level. This flush right onto my stone, my precast. That way we know that it's clear. As you see, this is how I secure it. I secure over this side. Afterwards, we're going to use our slicker to fill the outer side there properly.
don't know which trade business work. When you put it with a contractor.
Yeah.